What's up, guys? Here we are back with another video. Today I'm going to talk to you about Affirm. There's many videos talking about it, but mostly they're talking about you just buying shoes. And that's not what all Affirm is about, okay? So what all retailers can you use with Affirm? Well, today I'm going to show you what you can do and how to get your Affirm loans, because that's what Affirm is. Okay, so we're going to go in here to my banking tab, click on Affirm, and I've already been logged in, so it's not asking me for my PIN or my fingerprint, but when you set it all up and you do your PIN and all that, when you first log in, it will ask for it. So as you see here, you have Rooms to Go, GOAT, I guess what that is, DJI, Walmart, okay, and those at the top there. And then you scroll down, you have more: Best Buy, Newegg, Wayfair, and so on. So if you don't see your place that you want to shop, like say Amazon, you click on the search up at the top, and you can just start typing Amazon. A-M-A. You can do that, Amazon will pop up. Okay? And same with like Target and so on. So you click on Amazon. If you hadn't already been pre-qualified, it will then say here that you have been pre-qualified, like me. It says I have been pre-qualified for $270 on Amazon. But the stores that you go to and everything, it will show the store up here and say that you've been pre-qualified for that. So what do you do if you don't get a link directly to the payout, that screen on checkout? So that's what we do here. So click on Shop Now. Again, it's going to pop up saying you've been pre-qualified for $270. That's what I've been pre-qualified for, or whatever it says you've been pre-qualified for. All right, and it's in the Amazon browser. So you click on Close. All right, and say I want to buy this tablet here. All right, you click on it, but it says I got 2 items in my cart. So it's going to go over to my cart, because you got to add the items to your cart. All right, then you click on Checkout, which I'm not going to do because I don't want it to show my email. But say if the subtotal 2 items is my total, it's $174.98. All right, you click on here, the Affirm logo at the bottom. You have to round up to the nearest dollar. So what was my amount? It's $274.98. So you got to put $174.98. So you put $195. So click on this little blue icon right here with the little circle around it. All right. So you click on 175. All right. And that's all you do. You don't add cents or nothing like that. Because what they would do is they will credit you the difference that you do not spend. Say if you change your mind and you don't want to spend that much, go on, do the loan. So click on Next up here at the top, it takes you in here. It's to this little other screen as soon as it goes. It's going to take a minute, I guess, because of my internet. Okay, so you see here you have 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. Okay, it gives you your payments. Then your APR interest rate. Yes, it is 29.99% interest, but you do have the option to pay it off early. So, say I want to pay $17.06 a month. What do? Click on this little blue tab right here. Okay? And then it's going to tell you how much your interest charge is going to be. So that's going to be $29. So it's $204.66. Okay? And then you click on continue. Alright. And then it's going to give you your terms and your loan agreement. Right here. You can read through it, accept it. But up here at the top, it's got your interest rate is 29.94%. I'm using a magnifier on my phone so I can see this better. Amount of payments, 12 payments, okay, is going to be $17 a month. Okay? And that's good. Alright, and then it has due monthly starting, and then it's got a date. Whatever your date shows right there is normally your due date, but normally, a lot of times that does change depending on, say, like how long it takes Amazon to complete and process your order. So, you click on the I agree, I have read terms, or whatever this is here. Then you go and confirm loan and get card. Okay, so it gives you a virtual card. All right, so it does this. It gives you a card like this. All right. Now this card will be voided. Okay, so it will not be any good, but it gives you your account number, expiration date, and CVC code. But normally you don't need the CVC code, and you can add to Google Pay, and then everything like that. So let's go. Say I want to close the screen, so I click on the X there. All right. Say you hadn't placed your order yet, right? Can you cancel this loan that you just got? Yes. So what do? You click on right here where it says manage. It's got the little S sign. Okay. Then it's got all my loans right here. Okay, that I have open. So where's my new card? All right. Click on see all, and then it should pop up somewhere. I think it should. Because normally it does. Alright, so let's go back. Just wait a minute. Click on home. Now they've done an update. Okay. Get started. Okay, so as you see right here, it shows my in blue. This is new. It usually puts it in here with all your other loans, and it will be down here at the bottom. But ever since the new update, I guess they've changed it, so it's now it will now be here on the home screen. So say I change my mind, and how do you cancel? Okay, it says copy card. Okay, right here where it says edit or cancel card, click on edit or cancel, and then you click on cancel card. Okay, so once I hit cancel, this card will no longer be available. Okay, now it just says there in blue, it says get started. Click on get started, and then, oh wow, they changed this too, so Amazon does pop up on here. That's cool. So you have a lot of different retailers, as you can see. So you don't just buy shoes. All right, you have all these different retailers: Target, Home Depot, Ulta, for y'all girls that want to buy your makeup and don't want to spend hundreds of dollars right away on your makeup. You can do that. Is there a requirement for the loans? You have to have a purchase at least $100 at the time of this video. Okay, guys. So let's go back to this manage tab. Okay. So how does your loans look? How does your loans look on the on your dashboard? Of course, right here I have 3 open loans. I'm gonna click on my Target one, okay, and it gives you the amount that you pay every single month. I've been rounding it all up. Okay, so as you go down, right there is the $15.59 that I pay on this card, that I'm required to pay. So I easily round it up to $16. Now, granted, yes, I can pay it all off at one time. How do you do that? Click on make a payment, and right here, I can pay $84.30 to pay it off, or I could pay the $15.59. Or if I don't want to pay it off and I want to pay a different amount, click on other amount, enter your amount that you want to pay, and you're all set. Okay, then you will get a little tab that allows you to continue and select your payment method. I'm not going to go into that step because I don't want to reveal my payment information for security purposes. Alright, guys, so what else does Affirm have? What is these other tabs? So Affirm has a savings account. I had the savings account set up for a little bit, and here it is. So, let me go back into it. Okay, so go back to the savings account. I added $227 to the account. Then you have your tab where it gives you your details, and gives you your account numbers and interest rate and all of that. Okay, I'm not going to show that because I don't want to give my information out. Then right here where it's got the plus sign, it says add money, and that's how you do your transfers and stuff like that. And then you have the profile, which gives your profile information, like your email, your passwords, and so on, your payment accounts that you have set up, and so on. So that's about it. I'm going to go back to the home screen here, and yeah, guys, I really recommend just downloading the Affirm app and checking it out. And if you don't want to have like full payments, like say you want to spend $100, say on Amazon or Walmart, Best Buy, or so on. You don't want to pay that out right away. That's fine. You can split the payments if you want to and pay $10 or $9. Let's see, if it's $100, your payments are $9.74 plus that $16 interest. So what do you have to lose? You know what I mean? You can always change your mind and pay it off whenever you please, whenever you want. But anyways, guys, that's going to be my video for Affirm, and I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and support me. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day.